Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Welcome back to our channel Kesengsem Podcast MTS Negeri 4 Banyuwangi with me Lulu Anwaria. Okay, dear listener, today we are honored to have with us the number one figure of the Ministry of Religious Affairs of Banyuwangi Regency, Dr. Haji Khairani Hidayat, SAGMM. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you? Or how are you today?
Alhamdulillah fine.
Fine.
And hope you soon.
I hope you always enthusiastic, full energy, and happy.
Yes, of course. I mean,
Yes. Thank you so much for taking time here. This is the second time or third time?
third time I'm
Third
here.
time.
But first and second by Indonesia.
By Indonesia.
This,
And now by
first time by English.
This is my promise or your promise, sir?
Our promise.
Our promise.
Yes.
Okay. Also joining us today is the head of the Islamic Education Section at the Ministry of Religious Affairs of Banyuwangi Regency, Mr. Haji Dimyati, MPDI. Assalamualaikum, sir. How are you today? Okay. This is the background of English teacher. Is
Yeah.
this right? Okay, right. Yes. After this, we will take conversation about anything here. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Today podcast is special one. Future that's two incredible expert in education, I think. Okay, dear listeners, today we will discuss about education in Madrasah so far, how it has progressed and how the developed so far, and then perhaps any new innovation from the Ministry of Banyuwangi Regency. Okay, the first, maybe let's hear from Dr. Khairani Hidayat, as usually fondly called Kang Roni.
Kang
Is
Roni,
this right?
My nickname.
My nickname. Okay, Mr. Roni, what is your opinion this in your view over the past time that is have already 1 year or
1 year and 4 months.
over months?
Yes.
Okay, here. And have there been any significant improvement of education in our madrasah, especially here in Banyuwangi?
Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mrs. Lulu and Mr. Dimyati. First, before I explain everything about education in Banyuwangi, especially in madrasah, I memorize something.
Okay, what is it?
That firstly I come to Kementerian Agama Banyuwangi at November 2024, right?
24,
Yeah. Before come to Banyuwangi, honestly, I don't know anything at all about Kementerian Agama, about
Okay.
madrasah, about everything. But Alhamdulillah, in my office, I find my best friend, Mr. Dimyati.
Mr. Dimyati.
He is Kepala Seksi Pendidikan Madrasah. How do you say Kepala Seksi Pendidikan Madrasah?
Section.
The head of section
The head of
Madrasah
Islamic
Education.
Education Section.
Okay, so I have many communication, many discussion with him. How is the madrasah, the real thing about madrasah, and how is our spirit to increase the potential of madrasah in Banyuwangi. First, after make any discussion and communication with him, I look for data about madrasah.
Yes.
And I find the data that a
Is
total
it
amount.
surprise or not?
I'm surprised. In my place before in Sumeneb, I just have public madrasah. I mean madrasah negeri,
Yes.
public madrasah. Madrasah aliyah only one. Madrasah aliyah only one. Public madrasah aliyah. Madrasah sanawiyah only two madrasah.
Two madrasah.
Oh, sorry, three madrasah.
Three madrasas.
And madrasah ibtidaiyah just elementary school, just 3 madrasah too. But in Banyuwangi,
So
very big.
Very big.
The total amount of madrasah I note here is about 618 madrasah. It
This is
consists
from
of
RA,
from RA to MA.
to MA.
It consists of 19 public madrasah, I mean madrasah negeri, 19 madrasah, 19 public madrasah, and 599 private madrasah. So private madrasah is bigger from
Because many pesantren here.
many pesantren here. I also come to madrasah with Mr. Dimyati. I want to know the real condition.
Okay.
How is the real condition of madrasah? Its buildings, how is the teachers, how is the students,
Okay.
and how is the program? Okay, and you know my conclusion. I think that in Banyuwangi, madrasah,
potential,
very big potential to increase the Islamic education,
Yes.
especially madrasah. So madrasah have to become the ideal Islamic education,
Yes.
have to lead the Islamic education or even the all of education in Banyuwangi. Okay, and Alhamdulillah, time by time, step by step, under the leadership and guidance and also direction from Mr. Dimyati, I saw that the quality of madrasah increased
Increase
most extremely.
extremely.
I saw that Mr. Dimyati has several good programs.
Because of the
several
head
good programs.
Islamic education
Yeah.
section.
Yeah, and he's very expert.
Okay.
I always say that he is manusia sakti di pendidikan. How do you say sakti? Magical. Have a magical power in Islamic education. I saw that Mr. Dimyati have 7 main program of madrasah. Inshallah, he will be explained after this, after our discussion.
Yes.
He will be explained detailedly what is the 7 program of madrasah. I think and I hope madrasah will be better and better for give the best educational program for our students. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, this is so very amazing actually. The potential of madrasah in Banyuwangi agency. Okay, next to Mr. Dimyati as head of the Islamic education section. Are there any new innovations, or breakthrough that are implemented to enhance, the quality of education in our madrasah?
Okay, thank you very much for the time given to me. Actually, I'm not satisfied with 7 programs.
Oh,
We have
not
to
yet.
improve here. We have to improve and
It is new thing.
yes, we have to make a minimal 9 programs.
9
Yes.
program.
I found 1 program and I asked to my leader, that is Mamaku.
Mamaku.
It is a new programs.
Your friend, Mr. Not.
Mamaku. This is
Mamaku.
different.
You know that. What does Mamaku stand for?
What is? That is
I think
not
it is
launch.
still secret here,
Oh,
but
still
I will
secret.
open in this place.
In a special in this
Yeah.
podcast.
In the first time I open this script.
Okay.
Just he and me.
But in podcast Kesungsum
Yeah.
will explain this.
Mamaku, yeah. It is I think very popular words here for people. In the words, Mamaku is stand for from madrasahku, masa depanku.
Okay.
Yeah. Madrasahku, masa depanku. What must I do in these programs? Firstly, we know that society, the parent of our student, still not confident.
Still not trust, not believe.
When the student pass from this stage, from MTS, where will
Still
you continue?
thinking over
Yeah.
about
You
this.
know that when what's the action, the ceremonial, what's the name? Ceremonial of passing grades.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perpisahan.
There is
Farewell party from farewell.
yeah. There is 10 the best students, the best 10 students. I always give
Motivation,
and I give
support,
support.
for
And ask one by one, where will you to continue your study?
yes
90%
in SMA
is
like that.
to SMA,
Yes,
senior high school.
not
Why
MA
not
like that.
to MA?
Yes,
I don't know. Lah, this problem, yeah, we must to be solved.
the homework
Yeah,
of
we have to make one program, Mamaku.
yes
And then the second mission from this program, you know that we should that every student have potential,
yes
and we have to develop this potential.
okay. So the
It is
place
for
to
their
develop
future.
what is
For example, our student has ability to sports, maybe
okay,
football.
yes,
We have to continue. We have to develop
as
this
the
sports
potential.
to be good, to be better.
Yes,
For the future. So I give name this program Mama Madrasah
Masa depan.
Okay. Very
Our madrasah is our future.
Yeah, of course. It is depend on our leader. Mr. Running sports and okay, I will launch him.
Actually, we depend each other.
Yes.
Only me or him.
So far good is okay, Mr. Ya. Okay.
Very okay.
Okay, very okay. Okay, this is very good, I think. Madrasahku, masa depanku, mamaku. And the last from Mr. Rami, what is your opinion about the love curriculum? Yeah, recently introduced by our Minister of Religious Affairs. Yeah. Do you feel that why it should launch, or it is our minister believe that teacher just only transfer of knowledge, but not take the root of love in teaching. So, how about what is your perspective on this?
Okay. I will say that kurikulum cinta
Yeah.
terminology love based kurikulum.
Our accepting.
Kurikulum yang berbasis cinta.
Yes.
It is found by Professor Sweetman. The idea from our minister, but it is implemented by Professor.
As a General Director of Islamic Education, Kementerian Agama Republik Indonesia, it is, I think, very appropriate curriculum in Indonesia, especially for madrasah. Why? Because love-based curriculum is make that love is the spirit of education.
yes,
Yes, we know that our nation now have not so good moral.
bad character.
Yes, especially for young generation. So there is must be love in all of education, especially for madrasah. I noticed that at least there is main core of love sense in this kind of curriculum. Number one, love of God.
Oh,
Yeah, it means taqwallah. Taqwallah, or as Quran said, hablum minallah.
yes,
We have to empowering this. It means we must be obey Allah and implementing all of the dogmatical thing in Islam, especially, or for the other religions, of course. And number two, love of human being, or as Quran said, hablum minan nas. Number three, love of environments,
environment.
as Rasulullah ordered us always. And number four, the last, is love of our nation, our nation, I mean. Rasulullah said, hubbul watan minal iman. The nation is such part of iman. So These four things is if we could implement them into our education, inshallah, Islamic education in Indonesia under Kementerian Agama, I mean
Has good
madrasah,
character.
yeah, have a good character for students, have qawiyun amin Indonesia, qawiyun kuat,
Strong.
and amin, amanah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, it will be great curriculum, and inshallah will be a beyond comparison curriculum in Indonesia. Okay.
Okay, that's it's mean. Have you read my book, Teaching by Heart? This
No,
is
not
in the corner of Kementerian. That is my book, and the title is Teaching by Heart. Yeah,
Teaching
Mr.
by Heart.
Kemiati maybe have already now.
That is narration or poems?
Book. Yeah.
Book, yeah.
My first book.
Oh.
That is, I think this is related to the curriculum love. This I think
I
that
swear I will read after this directly. Okay.
look for after this. So sorry.
Curriculum Cinta is suitable with our program.
Okay. Baik.
Mabur Bangkar.
Okay, it's right.
How to build the student in relationship with
Have a good character like this.
to Allah. How to build the character of student relation with nature,
Okay.
with the human being.
Okay.
It is okay. I think
It's
support.
okay.
It is
Support,
very
okay,
good
okay.
curriculum.
Okay, one point from Mr. Kimiati about our education, so about motivation for all people that they have trust to our madrasah. How can we amuse them? Yeah, amuse them to believe and trust that madrasah is our future, like this.
Yeah.
One point.
Yeah. Okay. Madrasah is our place that our student take many science here.
Okay.
So we have to support all activities what do in this madrasah. You know that madrasah, I think is the leader say that very close with what's surga.
Firdaus.
Madrasah close with surga.
Paradise.
One will be success in the future and hereafter.
Yes.
Send your son and daughter to madrasah.
Okay.
Madrasah.
This okay. The next point from Mr. Roni.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
only that.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. Today we have gained so much valuable insight, yeah, from both of
Oh, yeah,
our
the last
guests.
thing.
Oh, the last thing. Okay, the
I
last thing.
I often say to teachers, students in any places that the jargon of madrasah, the semboyan of madrasah is hidup kaya raya, mati masuk surga.
Okay. The rich people and will go to
one thing
paradise.
for me.
Yes.
Yeah. With 7 program.
Yes.
Tentu each program. All stakeholder in madrasah must support. Must
Oh,
support.
masuk the
For example, gerbang. Yeah.
Okay.
How to make our student have a bereavement. Don't be sick.
Okay.
Practice and
Confidence,
practice. Yes.
yeah.
You know that if we want to understanding about science deeply, we
Yes.
have to master
English.
And then how, if we want to master Arabic, well, religion,
Religion in Arabic, with Arabic. Okay. This both English and Arabic is
Is,
very important for
element they
our
must
life
master.
like this. Okay.
Okay. But honestly, I'm not confident here. You are teacher of English. You are teacher of
Oh no.
And me?
But
am
you
just
are
angry.
expert in this. Very good. Okay. This today we have gained so much valuable this insight from both of our guests regarding the development and future of our madrasah educations. May the education in our madrasah continue to advance, yeah?
Yeah.
Improve in quality and make a mark that on the global stage.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Jadi mutu kita maju bermutu dan
Mendunia.
mendunia. Okay, like that. Okay, thank you very much to Dr. Heruni Dayat
You're
and
welcome.
Mr. Dimyati for this warm and inspiring conversation today. Hopefully we can have again on the Kesensem podcast MTS
Insyaallah,
4
insyaallah.
Banyuwangi
Insyaallah.
in another occasion, maybe in Arabic language maybe.
Arabic language.
Okay,
Arabic is very easy. If you ask something about Arabic, I will recite Al-Baqarah, Yasin.
so reading Holy Quran like that, yes. But okay, dear listeners, we hope today podcast brings meaningful benefits for the advance of our beloved madrasah. I am Lulu Anwaria signing off. See you again in the next edition of the Kesensem podcast. See you and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kita dadah-dadah.
Terima kasih. Baru saja Anda menyaksikan podcast Kesensem MTS Negeri 4 Banyuwangi edisi Ramadan.